Take a deep breath and allow yourself to relax. As you let go of your thoughts and worries, bring your focus to your breath. Feel the air as it enters and exits your body. Let all tension, anxieties and worries ease away. Feel mind, body and spirit calming. This is your time to appreciate the flow of energy that is all things. You may want to sit in quiet meditative reflection of the upcoming content and suggestions, or you may wish to journal. This is your time. Do what suits you best. Everything is a flow of energy. Everything has a vibration, physicality, thoughts and emotions. Our thoughts, emotions and actions shape the reality we experience. Each thought and feeling has its own distinct vibration pattern and synchronizes with those that hold similar vibrational patterns. Our thoughts are connected to the cosmos and all that is. Choose positive thoughts and positivity follows. Feelings of love and peace or a positive attitude creates within us a high vibration, and lower, heavier energies such as shame, guilt and blame create a low vibration within us. Everything is constantly in a state of motion, never static. Vibrations are pulsating all around us. We are vibrating, pulsating and emitting our vibrations outwards all the time. Similar vibrations are attracted to us, so emitting a high vibration results in positive thoughts, feelings and circumstances coming back to us. Nikola Tesla said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency and vibration." By consciously choosing a higher vibration, we can attract enriching experiences and people into our lives. And now, whether you're choosing to reflect or journal, let's consider how we can fully embrace and benefit from the law of vibration. I will leave space of 1 minute between suggestions. If you need more time to reflect, please pause the video. Foster a consistent attitude of gratitude. Until the gong, focus on raising your vibration through gratitude. Bring gratitude into all aspects of your day. Even when there are challenges, be grateful for the lessons and the opportunity to grow. And next, pay close attention to your words, both spoken to others and to yourself. For every disempowering thought or comment, counter it with 5 positive affirmations. With time, you will become more attuned to your thoughts and speech. Avoid gossip and backbiting, as these negative energies will eventually come back to you. Instead, choose to speak words that are empowering, positive, and full of strength. Make smiling and laughing a habit. Set an intention to experience at least one belly laugh a day, remembering that your subconscious doesn't know the difference between what is real and what is imagined. You really can fake it if you have to. You might consider looking into laughter therapy. Match your actions to your desires. If you desire to be healthier, make sure you take action in your food and exercise choices. Or if you would like to paint watercolours, sign up to a class, etc. Until the gong, consider what actions you might need to take to bring your thoughts and behaviour vibrations into alignment. Set an intention to spend some time in nature. You don't have to plan a trip out to the countryside. Your back garden or a park will suffice. Feel the connection you have with nature and experience a natural high. Eat high vibration foods. That is, foods that are as close to their natural state as possible and that are nice and fresh and don't leave you feeling heavy. You know that feeling after certain foods where you are left sluggish and you know your digestive system is struggling. Until the gong, consider how you might listen to your body and eat more intuitively. Surround yourself with people who have a similar or higher vibration than you. Jim Rohn says, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." I would encourage you to find your tribe. Until the gong, contemplate where you can distance yourself from mood hoovers and find your new tribe. Be present. There is only now. Connect with everything, finding the magic in the mundane. So whether you're brushing your teeth, showering, cooking, eating, washing the dishes, you are there in that moment, and it's a fabulous way to bring gratitude into all that you do and experience. Until the gong, consider what you're currently doing on autopilot and set intentions to be more mindful in those situations. As you raise your vibrations, you are setting the foundations for the next law that we will explore together, the law of attraction. Consciously choosing a high vibration opens you up to receiving an abundance of positive things, and people will feel you. You are choosing to make a difference. May we, as one, raise our vibration and bring positivity to all that is. When you're ready, return your attention to your surroundings. Thank you for choosing to meditate or journal with me. My love and appreciation flow to you. Namaste.